Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to create your Best Buy account in your PC. For that, make sure you open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now on the search bar, you need to simply search www.bestbuy.com. You will be led to this official page. Here you need to choose your country. For this video, we will be going for the United States. Now at the top right front, you can see the option account. You need to click over there. Now here are two options provided, that is sign in or create account. We will go for the create account one. Now here you need to write down your credential, that is your first name, likewise your last name. Write down your email address. Make sure to create a very strong password to secure your account. Now after you are done choosing your password, you need to write down the phone number. After you are done writing your phone number, you can simply click on the option use for account recovery, so that the next time when you are having problem to log into your Best Buy account, you can simply use this number for your account recovery. Now after you are done fulfilling your credential, you can simply click on create an account and they will help you for the further process to create your Best Buy account. Here you also have the option to sign up with a Google account. You can simply choose this option and you can confirm. Now you can see that your automatic details have been filled from your Google account. All you have to do is write down your phone number to verify your account, and after that you can simply click on create an account and they will help you for the further process to create your Best Buy account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.